mixtapes got a little rain, little Drake, a little something bumping, thumping on the wheel, right? The mixing our drinks a little stronger than you think. So get a grip, take a sip of that feel right. Trucks jacked up, flat wheels flip back. Yeah, you can find us where the party's at. This is how we kisses of a needle, automatic like a freebird. Just like I live, but it's the people. This is how we roll. We hanging down, singing out everything on the radio. This is how we roll. This is how we do. The world turns around, it's time to begin. This is how we roll. Are y'all ready to roll with us tonight? Come on! Alright, take it one time. Yeah, we're proud to be guns. We stick to our guns. We love who we love and we wanna have fun. Yeah, we cuss on the Monday, pray on the Sundays, pass it around and we dream about one day. This is how we roll. Yeah. We hanging around, singing everything on the radio. We wanna hear you, Georgia. This is how we roll. This is how we ride. Swinging the blood, in the countryside, baby. This is how we roll. This is how we roll. We hanging around, singing everything on the radio. We light it up with our hands up. This is how we roll.
This is how we go.
World turns ugly, I just turn and look at you, baby. This is how we roll. Crowd of the week right here at Macon. There's only one reason why. There's only one reason why we finish up in Macon, Georgia, because we're gonna finish with the best. We're gonna save the best for last, right? Cole, I know they're gonna have a deer in the headlights tonight, right? Here we go!